Yo guys, Leo here, what's up? Welcome back to another Bittorrent update. And as I told you guys before, we will be expecting a pull down, we will be expecting a pullback, there will be a sell-off. It's very healthy. Do not panic sell. But if you do know how to read the charts to a certain degree, maybe even call it like say 50%, you'll understand that you can make some part or some profit. The main ingredient over here is not to get greedy or not to overlap or overthink yourself. If you choose one decision, just stick to it and bounce into it. Anyway, let's get straight into the chart. Yeah, as you can see on the 4-hour time frame, we have found some foothold, and if you see closely towards the lines that I've drawn, well, it's not exactly there yet, but it's very, very close. Now let me stretch this arm out a bit. Maybe that'll make more sense. You can see it almost touched. It's very, very close, but that doesn't matter as long as we are close to the target. You can see here we always have these type of wicks. And may I tell you something? We always intend to visit those wicks. So if you have your stop loss out here, it's already been taken out. They had some stop losses out here and they've all been taken out. Now the only thing is if we do touch this, we need to see a bounce. Now if you come closely, you can see last time I told you about the RSI. I think it was on the daily. See, I was mentioning over here on this part, we are really high on the RSI, so we need to see a pullback. We need to see a normal pullback, which is very, very normal, very common in the crypto market. On the weekly, still pulling back. You can see it's just one candle. That's it. Okay, and the stock RSI is still very, very high on the weekly. Now if we come back straight to the 8-hour candle, you can see over here we might have a pump. Okay, let me just draw one line over here for the stock RSI. Let me put that here, and let's see here as well. Let's see if we can bounce back. I really want to bring the bulls back to the market. As you can see, blue has crossed the red, but that's a very, very small chance. We might see a pushback towards the upside, but we still do not know, because this type of a chart, I don't have enough data on this to tell you. But only when we see the pushback, then I can tell you clearly. But if I do draw another line, let's not make it too complicated. Let's remove all the others first. Actually, let's do this. Let's do it. Okay, let's remove that previous flag over there. Now we go straight to the top. From here, pull it all the way down, because we did have some touches over there. Now, does this look familiar to you? Does this look familiar to you at all? We've had, so let me see if I can find something like that. Path. Let me see if I can find a path. So that's one there. Move up. Come down. Move up. Come down. And move. That's a three-way path. Okay, now I don't think the arrow is gone right down. I'm just going to pull this back up over here a little bit. If we do see a bounce from here, where do you think it's going to go? Where do you think it's going to go? See that? That's A, B, C, and then boom, we go all the way back up. So if we do break this trend line right over here, if we do break this, then we might have to see, wait, let me just pull it up. It should be called a wedge, WEDGE, wedge flag pattern. That's the one. Now where's the one that I'm looking for? Where's the one that I'm looking for? Where's the one that I'm looking for? Just give me a second. Let me get it for you. Alright, I couldn't find the other one, but I pulled up something that looks similar. So now you can see this bullish wedge. Oh, you can see this bullish wedge, right? Yeah, you can see this bullish wedge. Now let's go back. Look here, my friends. If this does play out, we move back up. We move back up. If this does play out the way I'm thinking it would play out, we definitely move back up. So keep in mind, I could be wrong as well, but keep in mind, this is just my hunch. This is not financial advice for you to get in right here, but the data just tells me that. So I'm just showing you what is. Now, if we do break through this, then we should be moving all the way up to, let's see on the weekly what the technical target could be. If we can push up, if we do push up, okay, if we do push up, then we can really push up higher. Wait, let me just draw that from here all the way up to here. Oh. Let me just grab that. Ah, come on. Sorry guys. A little too much happening on the chart here right now, but I'm just trying to get that. Okay. Yeah, so now if we come all the way here, you push up. If we push up, come on, select. Move. Yes, so we can push all the way up to, say, it's just the technical target, which would be close to 0.000148, or we can push higher than that and maybe just touch this point if we could break up on the RSI, but if not, then we'd see a correction. But for now it's just this. Okay, so keep in mind, if we do break forward, we will be having like this type of a pattern. That's 1 2 3 and boom. Be safe and hope to see you guys in the next one. Peace.